Okay, hello people, this is Ved Demon here, and I'm going to be teaching you how to use this application. So basically, to use it, first you have, this thing here, the square, and you have the circle. So we'll start with the square, we'll leave the circle up here. So the square is what changes the zoom and focus. So when you tap on the square, it turns red, which means that the square has been that means that the focus and zoom have been locked, kind of, like the ratio is. So then that means that so if I zoom in, then the focus shouldn't change. I'll explain that soon. So let's now zoom out. So you can see a slide on here. If I slide it up, then it zooms in. If I slide down, then it zooms out. Yeah, that's the fundamentals of this slider here. That's it. So you tap the square to unlock and lock. So when I hold down on the square, you see a dial here, so it says focus and zoom. So zoom, so you slide it anti-clockwise. Yeah, you slide it anti-clockwise to zoom in and clockwise to zoom out. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So now I've zoomed in. But the focus means that the thing looks really blurry, it looks so blurry. So to change that, to remedy that, you slide this dial like this until you reach the clearest image. I just saw it with microscopes, at least I used to. You need to use microscopes too, but yeah, it was. So I unlock. Now I zoom out. And voila, that's focus and zoomed on. Yes, that easy or something. No, it's less. So now we're gonna have this circle here. This circle changes the exposure. The exposure is how bright or dark the screen records as. Like how dark or bright it records. So basically what that means is, when I'm looking here, it's gonna look like this here. When I'm looking at this light though, it's going to darken the surroundings so that the light doesn't look too dark and it doesn't blind you. You see difference? Yeah, like that. Yep, like that. So now, so when you tap it, that means it locks the exposure, so I'm prepared to be blinded. Yeah, like that. You see how it didn't change that time? Yeah. Now if I go here, if I lock it here, then it looks really dark, you actually can't see anything. But so now I've unlocked it, So now if you hold down on this, then you can have then what you can do is you can change the exposure manually. So when you turn clockwise, it decreases the exposure. If you turn it anti-clockwise, then it increases the exposure. Like this, And then you can change the ISO bias like this. Low, moderate, high. And you've also got this thing here. So this changes the exposure pulse speed. Not sure what that means, actually. So, yeah. Oh, okay, is that what it means? Yeah, no, I don't know what that means. Yeah, but you see, Okay, that's the basics of it, so yeah, cool.